This is the Vhedia like M series range here. So obviously like the head unit comes like this. Includes the fascia coming around here obviously, so this is all included, so it looks like a factory fit. You can see here, we're sitting in the Subaru at the moment. So the unit will also quick boot, so if you turn your car off and then you go turn your car back on, you can see it takes about 2 seconds for the unit to start up. There's a wireless CarPlay here, so obviously you use it mainly for your maps and Spotify. Android Auto will come in. Install different apps, obviously you just go from the Play Store. So there's a lot of different apps of your choice. So all your units include an OBD2 connector, so if your car is OBD2, so you're newer than 2006, it was like 7 in Australia, you can obviously bring data in from here and build different gauges and things up. And obviously you get your factory options in your car going to work, so that's like your reverse camera here, so that's obviously coming in, and things like your steering wheel controls as well is also going to work. So all your factory options should work.